Hi guys, today we are going to see about how to submit sitemap to the search console, and before that how to create sitemap from third-party applications, and how to create sitemap inside the WordPress dashboard. So we are going to see the both the things. For if you are not seen the video or of how to create Google Search Console, please go and watch my previous videos, and I also uploaded videos relevant to Google Analytics. Go watch my videos to learn how to do that. So after creating Google Search Console, we can submit the sitemap. As of now, we have our Google Search Console installed and verified. Let's go to sitemaps. This is where we have to submit the sitemaps. So let me go to the WordPress. Okay, I'm going to the plugin section. First, I'm going to show the how to create sitemap within the WordPress. It is recommended better to create sitemaps within this website. So everybody will be very well known about the SEO plugin called Host SEO plugin. So I'm trying to install it. It is installed now. I'm activating it. Okay, the plugin is activated. Go to settings, go to features, and so it seems the XML sitemap section is already on. So you don't have to change anything. Just click XML sitemap. That's it. The sitemap is generated. The plugin will make it easier for you to create sitemap. So just copy this link, go to sitemap, paste it, which is okay. We can just provide the sitemap submit. The another way of doing this is go to Google and XML sitemap generator. So you will get xml-sitemaps.com. Go to that. Meanwhile, copy your website, paste it here, click start. I recommend this one for non-CMS based websites. So the you can generate the sitemap and download the file and upload it into the root core of the website. So that's it. To show sitemap. So guys, the sitemap is generated. Download the sitemap. cPanel. Go to the root folder of startupengine.com. You will see files like this. Just click upload. Go to upload and select the sitemap. That's it. The file is uploaded. So this file extension is what you provide. Is what is the? Let me check. Okay, this is the file name. Okay, this is the name. You can also go to sitemaps, paste it here. Sorry, what is that? Sitemap.html. Submit. That's it. So we have submitted the sitemap. We have seen sitemap generation from both Oyster SEO plugin and from XML sitemap.com website. It shows the status as success for both the sitemaps. So this is for demo purpose. So when you are creating a website and doing SEO, it's better to go stick with a single sitemap. It's more than enough. And I recommend creating sitemap within the website is more better. If it is not an CMS site, your website designer can do that. Website programmer can create you a sitemap with all the pages. Later, when you are going to add more pages, you can add it in the sitemap. Or if you are going with the CMS websites like WordPress site, you can create the sitemap by these two ways and try to create within the WordPress application using Host SEO or any other SEO plugins because it is easier for you to have a control over what pages are listed in the sitemap. Host SEO plugin allows you to decide what to show, what not to show. That's more important when it comes to sitemap. So that's it, guys. So we have submitted the sitemaps. It shows successful 5 discoveries of the URLs. So from now on, Google will scroll your website and show the data of your website. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep on supporting. I'll be posting more videos relevant to digital marketing trends, news, tools, how to use tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, Tag Managers, and much more videos are yet to come. Please support me. Thank you. Bye bye.